Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see about what are all the notable changes that has been brought under the newly amended act called Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Amendment Act, which was passed on 28th March of 2021. Knowing about these changes is very important for the people who are preparing for interview, especially for the post of assistant managers, mines managers and above. MMDR Act. The full form is the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Act. This act is the principal legislation to regulate the minerals and mining sector in India. The MMDR Act was originally enacted in the year 1957. The 1957 Act was amended in the year 2015 and then in the year 2016 and then in the year 2020 in order to bring the reforms in the mining sector in order to meet the recent advancement and development in the mining field. Presently, on 28th March of 2021, this MMDR Amendment Act 2021 was passed in the Parliament and it was published in the Official Gazette of India and it is now in existence. The main reasons to amend this act are effectively utilize the potential of the mining sector, increase the employment opportunities in the mining sector, increase the investment in the mining sector, and to resolve the long pending legal issues in the mining sector. Notable change number 1. No more restriction on end utilization of captive mines. We all know that based upon the end use of minerals, the mines are classified as captive mines and merchant mines. According to MMDR Act 1957, the company acquiring any mines through auction were allowed to utilize the product only for prescribed end use like cements or steel production and not for any other purpose. For example, if a company got a limestone mine through auction, they should use the limestone only for the cement manufacturing. By the 1957 Act, they are not allowed to use the limestone for any other purpose except the cement production. But in the recent MMDR Amendment Act 2021, the mines will not be limited to any specific industry, sector or purpose. Now they have allowed the coal mines to sell, consume or use for any other purpose the coal that has been extracted in their mines as may be prescribed by the central government to them. Notable change number 2. Transfer of statutory approvals. According to MMDR Act 1957, if your mine lease has been expired, then it will be leased to a new person through auction. The person or a company which has got the new lease through auction, the statutory approval for the mines will be valid only for 2 years for the newly acquired person or a company. After 2 years, he have to again apply for the fresh statutory clearance for the same mines. But as per the MMDR Amendment Act 2021, for the newly acquired lease also, the statutory approvals is valid throughout the lease period for the new leasee. Notable change number 3. Sale of minerals by captive mines. As per MMDR Act 1957, there is no provision for the sale of minerals from the captive mines. They have to use it for their own purpose only. But as per the MMDR Amendment Act 2021, captive mines other than the atomic minerals may sell up to 50% of their yearly production within the open market after meeting their own demand. But the lessee will be required to pay extra charges to the government for the minerals that has been sold in the open market. Notable change number 4. Auction by central government in certain cases. As per the MMDR Act 1957, the minerals are to be auctioned except in case of coal, lignite and atomic minerals are to be conducted by only state government. But as per the MMDR Amendment Act 2021, the central government will ask or prescribe the state government to complete the auction process for a mineral or a mines for within a specific period. That is, a central government will specify the period for the state government in order to complete the auction process. But if the central government is not able to complete the auction process within the prescribed time by the central government is empowered to conduct the auction itself for the specific mines or minerals in a particular state. Notable change number 5. Condition for lapse of mining leases. As per the MMDR Act 1957, a mining lease will be lapsed if the lessee is not able to start the mining operation within 2 years from the grant of lease, or if the lessee has discontinued mining operation for a period of 2 years. But as per the MMDR Amendment Act 2021, the lease will not lapse if the concession is provided by the state government upon application by the lessee. But they have mentioned that the threshold period for the lapse of the lease may be extended by central government or for only one time, and it can be extended up to 1 year only. In this video, we saw 5 notable changes in recently amended Act 2021 when we compare it with the Act of 1957. These changes are very important for us to know, and these questions are asked in interviews, especially for the post of mines manager and above. Hope these videos are very useful to you, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.